my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.
This cocktail is famous because of the copper mug. Everyone has seen the copper mug. This is the Moscow Mule. This drink was invented in the 1940s. It's a great example of innovation. And Smirnoff were trying to sell more of their product, and they happened to know someone who had a copper factory that had copper mugs that weren't moving. They basically invented the drink, the Moscow Mule, combined the two, and they became synonymous with each other. But famous the world over, everyone wants the copper mug. But the Moscow Mule, let me show you how to make it. We have one copper mug. It's just simply vodka, fresh lime, and ginger beer. So we start off with our vodka. Just gonna do 1.5 ounces of vodka, and we're gonna build it. So we're gonna pour it directly into the mug. So 1.5 ounces of vodka. Fresh is always best. So fresh lime juice. Going to hand squeeze, 0.5 or 1/2 ounce. Add that in. And then ginger beer. Just gonna free pour about 3 ounces of ginger beer into the mug. Now this cocktail is normally served traditionally with crushed ice, so we're just gonna top this up with crushed ice. There we go. And garnish, just very simple, a lime wheel. Just place that on the edge with the crushed ice. And there we have it. Very simple Moscow Mule, super refreshing, synonymous for the copper mug.
Put my head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your